Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy watching my videos. Just I continue my work today and this afternoon already because we are go from grocery, then we are late and we eat snacks, so I'm late to do my work. So maybe I can do only pick the file. I use my this drive that one to the wagon and take the last I trim yesterday, yeah. So I need to take that file there to put in this file also here, yeah. So that file is more, so we need to bring that to the place for the garbage. So I'll continue to my work. I hope you support me, guys, for my channel and YouTube. So maybe I have a little bit. As I'm starting as my life here in US. Yeah, what will I do with my husband? So I can show you here what I'm doing, because I did not know how to drive everything. Nothing. I'm four in the Philippines. Nothing I have. So I have only know how to drive the motorbike, but here I need to practice to drive. But this is the first one. Yeah, the tractor, the mower truck. So yes, I know already. Then next time I'll do practice a car. I hope, inshallah, God will let me know how to drive. Give me a strong to not too scared, to be not too nervous to drive. So we'll show you. I'll continue my work now. So this, I need to drive this one, and so I'll continue later, okay? I'll video there where I take the file at the backyard. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy with me on my videos.